Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Indian style pasta. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Salt as per taste, 2 small sized tomatoes finely chopped, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 small sized onion finely chopped, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, asoefoedita, 1 pinch of cumin or jeera powder, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of pasta. So first take a saucepan and add 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon of salt. Once the water starts to boil, add 1 cup of pasta and cook it for 9 to 10 minutes. Simultaneously we can prepare the gravy. So for that take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add quarter teaspoon of asoefoedita powder. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped and saute it well until the onion becomes golden brown in color. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it well until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. Add few curry leaves and mix well. Add 2 small sized tomatoes finely chopped. Mix well and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. So now the tomatoes have become soft. So add half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and a pinch of jeera powder. Combine everything well and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. Add quarter cup of water and mix it well. So now the gravy is done. Add the cooked pasta and mix well. Add quarter cup of water and cook it for 3 more minutes. Finally, add some coriander and switch off the stove. Our pasta is now ready. I hope so you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.